Let's create a one-to-many relationship class to associate campsites with their proper campground facilities in Yellowstone National Park. In the Create Relationship Class geoprocessing tool, set facilities as the origin table and campsites as the destination table. The output relationship class is the name of the resulting relationship class that will be stored in the geodatabase. Keep the relationship type, label, and message parameters set as the defaults and set the cardinality to one-to-many. This means that each facility feature in the origin table can be related to one or several campsite features in the destination table. The origin primary key is the field in the origin table that links to the origin foreign key field in the destination table. Set the origin primary key to facility ID and the origin foreign key to parent facility ID. Click Run to create the relationship class. The relationship class now exists in the geodatabase. Let's add an additional feature to a one-to-many relationship class that has already been created between the facilities and campsites layers in the active map. With the Select tool active, click on one of the campground facilities. Open the Attributes pane and note that this campground facility has 16 campsite features associated with it. Create a new campsite feature near the campground and set the name as New Site number 17 in the Attributes pane. Select the new site and the campground feature on the map. In the Attributes pane, expand the campground information. With the selection active, right-click Campsites and add the selected feature to your relationship class. The new record is added to the existing relationship class and inherits the facility ID from the origin feature. You can also remove related records from an existing relationship class by right-clicking them and removing them from the relationship. Let's learn how to add rules to a relationship class to ensure campsites are associated with their respective campground facility and flag any detached features. We'll start by opening the properties for our relationship class between the facilities and the campsites feature classes. Click the Rules tab to see all of the possible combinations of rules. Check the Enabled column for the campground row. In this example, we want each campground to have between 1 and 100 campsites associated with it. On the map, locate a campground that has no campsites associated with it. In the Attributes pane, a message confirms that the campground is not associated with any campsites, which violates our new rule. To clear the warning message, let's create a new campsite and associate it with the campground. The campsite is created and added to the relationship class, and the warning message disappears. In this video, I will demonstrate how to create a many-to-many relationship class to associate multiple campground facilities with their respective outdoor activities. Open the Table to Relationship Class geoprocessing tool. Set the origin table to facilities and the destination table to outdoor activities. Change the output relationship class name. Set the cardinality to many to indicate that multiple facility features in the origin class can relate to one or several campsite features in the destination class. Set the relationship table to intermediate table and add all of the fields as attribute fields. Set the key parameters as shown here and run the tool. To view the related records, add facility data to the map. Select the Lizard Creek Campground. In the Attributes pane, the campground has 10 related outdoor activities. Click the Water Access attribute under Outdoor Activities and expand the selection to confirm that only 2 facilities have water access.